Hi guys, today we will explain about how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. This is a simple task. The first thing is open your Instagram application. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. Then you will be moved to your profile. And before going any further, let me tell you one thing. There is no official way by which you can unfollow everyone at once on Instagram. But I have a suggestion for this. And that is tap on these three lines which are on the top right, scroll down to the last, and you can see the option more info and support. From here, tap on the option help and tap on the first option report a problem. And now it's saying go back and shake your phone. It means I need to shake my phone. Then the report section will be open. So let me shake my phone. Tap on the option, and here I need to explain our problem. Just write like me. After writing, you need to take a screenshot of your following list and then attach that screenshot by tapping on this option upload. Then your gallery will be open and you can upload that screenshot and then tap on the option send which is on the top right. Now your report has been sent to Instagram team and they will get back to you once they will solve your problem. But it will take some time and it was the way by which you can do it easily.